You know I want you. It's not a secret I try to hide.
Team, let's go.
I know you want me.
Jared! Jared!
So don't keep saying
Jared, mukhang pagtasa ng boses. Ano to? Bakit hindi ako nakapasok? Nananadya ka ba?
Kawawa ka naman. Mahirap pa tanggapin sa sarili mo na you're simply not good enough.
Looking at your choices, oo. Ako yung pinaka-athletic dito. Mabilis din ako matuto.
Ate ko, may point siya. Baka pwedeng mag-team meeting muna tayo.
Pero hindi lang talent ang only criteria. Besides, ayoko ma-plague yung team ko with your toxicity and unsportsmanlike behavior. Sorry, not sorry. Anong behavior? Eh, hindi ko naman sinabak yung teammates mo. Sinabi ko bang kailangan mo manapak para maging toxic? At isa pa, volleyball is a team sport. Hindi pwede yung ginagawa mo sa basketball na nagbibida-bida ka. Sa volleyball, we depend on one another.
Jared, please. Bigyan mo lang ng chance.
Sorry.
Jared, baka naman pwede kasi ang ganda naman ng talo ni Uno kanina.
Diamond, my decision is non-negotiable.
Santillan, you're in.
What?
You like starter?
Coach, he's not qualified. Besides, guguluhin niyo lang yung dynamics ng team.
Kaya nga tayo may team captain eh. Keep the harmony in the team. Let's ask your teammates. Ano guys? Payag ba kayo na si Uno, teammate nyo? Taas kamay.
Mga Nakshi, bahagi na kayo ng team. Pwede na kayong bumoto. Ikaw. Boto. Vote.
Seryoso. Okay, wrap this up. See you all tomorrow.
Salamat, Coach. Coach, I'm the team captain and my decision should count.
Counts. But I'm the coach. My decision is final.